Hi there, little friend. Welcome to Little Adventures with Faye. It's almost bedtime. Let's take a quiet journey together to help us rest and feel peaceful. Let's look around and say goodnight to some sleepy friends. Good night, Bunny. Time to snuggle in. Good night, twinkling stars. You shine so bright. Good night, little house. Everyone is resting inside. Did you know? Nighttime is a special time to rest our minds and hearts. It's when we slow down and feel safe and warm. You are loved, you are safe, and you've done a wonderful job today. Let's say a quiet little prayer together. Dear God, thank you for today. Thank you for love, laughter, and learning. Please watch over me tonight and give me sweet dreams. Amen. It's time to close our eyes and dream. Think about something happy, like a rainbow or a cozy story, or a soft blanket hug. Let your whole body relax. Good night, sweet friend. We'll have another little adventure soon. But for now, rest well. Sleep tight, and see you next time on Little Adventures with Faye.